People come and say me कि सर 85% में क्या मिलने वाला, तो कुछ भी नहीं मिलना, वो you can't get anything 85 percentile. Guys, out of 2 lakh people who gave CAT का exam last year, 85 percentile mean you are able to beat 1,70,000 people out of them. By using G strategy, all the shortcuts you have beaten 1,70,000 people are behind you. This is the power of G strategy, and 85 percentile can fetch you A, IIM calls if you're from the reserved category. B, you can get into a good college with the average package of 10 lakhs. Somaya ka call aayega. A lot of colleges can give you a call at 85 percentile. C is तुम आगे जाओ ना यार. The topic which you can do it yourself. The topic which you cannot use, I can do G strategy. Simple. Yeah, that's why G strategy is a stopgap. It's not your target point. It's a stopgap. कि backup के लिए I can use this. I got 85 percentile in the CAT exam. Obviously, I'm not very proud of that score. Fine, but using G strategy, yeah, I have already done my MBA. I don't need to go and top the exam. There are coaching institute wala who are going to top the exam. Yeah, for reasons best known to them. But my agenda is very clear. I want to support my students. See, there are two kind of students: Amir Bachche, Garib Bachche. Every coaching classes are talking about Amir Bachcha. They only focus on Amir Bachcha. Yeah, Amir Mehta, who are good in maths, who are good in verbal. What about the weak students? Those who are not that great in maths. Fine. This is where G strategy come into picture. That obviously I cannot get 99 percentile, but I can clear the cutoff. For example, we have one student join this. ये क्या हर साल आता है, हर साल एक बच्चा आता है. I have a student join in Thane branch. He is from SC category. Very smart guy. 2 साल का work in IT company. Everything perfect. When I talked to him, why did you get a good from the CAT exam last year? Sir, because of quant, I messed up everything. I left modern maths. Yeah, geometry I could not solve there. Arithmetic again was quite tough. I could not solve. So everything got sorted. Everything went for a chaos because of my quant section. Now, if this guy is very good in verbal, is very good in DI logic, if quant is a weak area, use G strategy in the quant section. Yeah. Obviously, we can't be expert in everything. We can't be bad in everything. So wherever we are bad in, we can use G strategy. Yeah. So G strategy is basically all the concept, all the shortcuts combined together into one place so that I can attempt my questions. Now I can promise you that based on my experience, last year paper, I could solve around 17-18 quant ka question, half of the paper using G strategy. Yeah, but I solve from a student's point of view. I never over attempt. I never use my brain. I think from a Greek student point of view, which was good enough to clear the cutoff. I'll give you example now of G strategy now, so that you understand that. Yeah. Now I cannot give you G strategy all the shortcuts today on day one because I want to build the base. Yeah, because G strategy will break your concepts but will get you marks. Yeah. So I want to look at this thing towards the end. Yeah, so don't ask for G strategy today. I'll introduce you that question topic, various topic once those who have joined us, but I can't give you all the shortcuts on day one. Why? Because I want to target 99 percentile. Yeah, suppose you are weak in verbal. Okay, using G strategy concepts, I can clear my cutoff. Obviously, we can target to clear the cutoff, especially from the reserved category. If you're non-engineer, you can easily score more marks, easily clear the cutoff because of that. Now, problem with the GEM is cutoff is very high. 95% is the cutoff. For example, for IIMs, so 95% kali you need to put double efforts. Only G strategy won't work. Yeah, G strategy will help you, but we need extra effort. But for the non-engineers, for the reserved category student, G strategy can easily rock, can clear the cutoff. Okay, so I got 85 percentile by touching few topics, by doing only these concepts. Alright, so let's take an example and then we'll talk. Let's look at this impossible to solve question for me. Minimum value of a cubic expression is attained at which value? Abhi now if I use maths, even if I use DDX to solve karna will be chaos for me, because suppose I'm a non-engineer, so it's impossible for me to solve this question. So I have to leave question like this. In the CAT paper, I have to leave question like this. And I call them dirty quant because in the CAT paper there are at least 6 to 8 questions which have the word X, Y, Z in this. Yep. So what I recommend is my G strategy here. So let's look at the G strategy for this question. It's very simple. Whenever you see the question में X, Y, N, A, B, जहां पे X, Y, Z दिखा उसकी वहीं के वहीं उसकी मारो. अभी मारो को इंग्लिश में बोलेगा तो अभी मारो इज अ वेरी डर्टी वर्ड इन इंग्लिश, तो मारो मतलब वहीं पे अटैक करो. Because if you don't attack him, XYZ will mortify you, will attack you back. So my agenda is very simple. The moment you see XYZ, put some value into that. Yeah, here they have already given us the option. They already saying us to put this value. Okay, I can put this value and check the answer. If I put 1, answer is -1. Yeah, -1 + 1 -2, answer -1. I can put 2, I can put 3. The moment I put -1, तो -1 का cube, -1, -1, -2, answer is -5. So minimum value -5. Now out of 8 questions, obviously I can't solve all the 8 questions, but can I solve 3 to 4 questions using this? यार मैं ईमानदार आदमी हूँ यार, I would love to solve the question. Yeah, I'm here to learn maths, I'm here to get my maximum marks, but what if I'm not able to solve the question? Yeah, in the CAT paper, trust me, most of the people are not able to solve some other question. ठीक है, so वो वाले question I want you to do. Just imagine that way यार, out of 34 question, 10 question, yeah, not even, I'm not talking about 30% marks. The moment you touch 30 question right, this is, you are crossing 80 percentile yaar. 1,60,000 people who are giving CAT ka exam are not even going to touch 10 question. So mean paper is tough, no doubt, especially when they add the word minimization and cubic function, cubic equation, functions. The moment you add all these things, paper looks scary. Okay, so this is where G strategy come into picture. So CAT का G strategy is totally different from CET का G strategy. Yeah, CET G strategy is different from CAT. So CAT, because CET have no negative marking, I can use that strategy, other strategy. CAT I have to use थोड़ा सा brain. Yeah, और नकल के लिए थोड़ी सी अकल तो जरूरत होती है. Yeah, so that's my example which I want to pick up today for function graph, from the function graph topic and cubic topic, which I can easily solve using G strategy. Yeah, so if you want to join us, great. If you don't do, even if you don't want to join us, try to use these kind of strategies. Try to make a list of all the topics which are there. We have made the shortcuts for various topics, right from geometry to numbers to equations to every topic. We have G strategies like this which can work, which can rock. So G strategy is not, is a concept basically. It's not about a shortcut which can only work in that question. Yeah, it can work everywhere. So this will help us to clear the cutoff. So obviously our 3 sections can't be expert in everything. Wherever you're feeling weak at, we can use G strategy and clear the cutoff. Yeah. So ctking.com/G, I uploaded other videos as well where I've given you few examples of how G strategy works. So please check those videos as well. Now a lot of people tell me, sir, G strategy give me now only, I want to do all this topic now only, I don't want to wait till October, November. Guys, if I tell you all these tricks today, you will never learn maths. You will never improve yourself. So my target is very simple, to improve maths. Fine. We will do all the shortcuts in October, November, September, October, November. So September onwards, I will be start giving you all these strategies. Right now, for example, yesterday I took this topic. So functions ka I give the basic first. What is odd even, what is inverse function. Then I talk about the shortcut. I cannot give you the shortcuts ek saath. This is my fundamental problem. Are you getting my point? That's why I can't give you the shortcuts immediately, because that will not build the base. So let's build the base first. Along with that, I can introduce you all the shortcuts. So those who are only looking for the G strategy, says September, October, November, give me 2 months ka time, give me last 3 months, we will improve that. We will clear the cutoff. Yeah, obviously I'm not proud of this course. Yeah, this is a G student, मतलब गरीब student, गरीब बच्चों के लिए जिसका cutoff नहीं निकल रहा था. Yeah, or the topic where you are not well versed with that. For example, you are a topper, you do everything, but I don't know geometry. So geometry ka at least I can use G strategies. CAT का G strategy, again and again I'm saying, is different from CET का G strategy. CET is a totally different ball game. So my strategies are tried and tested in both the exams. Yeah, it won't get you 99.9 percentile, but yes, 85 percentile you can easily touch using G strategy. So in case you want to join our program, from now we are doing G strategy along with the other shortcuts and everything. September, October, November will purely talk about the G strategy. Alright, all the best.